Hello 7th class students. Today we will start the chapter first, nutrition in plants. Before starting the chapter, some terms that in your previous class you are very much familiar with the term food as what are the various functions of food, as all living organisms need food to sustain their life. Food provides us energy. Food helps to carry many metabolic activities. Food help in growth. Food help for needed maintenance and repair of the body organ, and enable to fight against the diseases. These are the functions of the food that you have read in the previous class. Now here the chapter name is nutrition in plants. And what is the meaning of nutrition? What is the meaning of nutrition? The process of taking food by an organism and its utilization is called nutrition. That how an organism takes food and how it utilizes that process is called the nutrition. Another term comes are the nutrients. Various components of the food come under the category nutrients. Various components that make a food. As we know, our balanced diet consists of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins. These are called the nutrients. Components of food as carbohydrates, fats, protein, minerals, vitamins. Some are needed in major quantity and some are needed in minute quantity. These are called the nutrients. Now, nutrition is of two types: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Auto means self. The nutrition that takes place itself when an organism makes its food itself, utilizes itself and provide to others. That mode of reproduction is called autotrophic nutrition. And heterotrophic nutrition and non-green plants, when an organism depend upon the autotrophs or other for nutrition and food, that type of nutrition is called the heterotrophic nutrition. All green plants are autotrophs, and in this process of nutrition is self. They make their food self. Now, what is autotrophic? Mode of nutrition in which organism make their own food. What is autotrophic? Here, see, this is a chart in your book also. Two types of nutrition: autotrophic and heterotrophic. Mode of nutrition: autotrophic, heterotrophic. Here again the three types of heterotrophic nutrition are there: saprophytic, parasitic, symbiosis, that we discuss later on. Now we are continuing with the term autotrophic. The mode of nutrition in which organism make their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. The plants which prepare their own food are called autotrophs. And all the green plants, as we saw, many green plants, they can make their food itself as daily flowers, fruits, plants bear by this process, by the process of photosynthesis. As in plants, the process of photosynthesis takes place, and that come under the category of autotrophic nutrition. See here, what is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants prepare simple carbohydrates by utilizing carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. Only green plant possess this unique property as they contain a unique pigment called chlorophyll. Now, photosynthesis is performed by only green plants. They utilize carbon dioxide from the air, water from the soil, and sunlight. Carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, green color pigment that is present in the all leaves, and sunlight that it is essential for the process of photosynthesis, and product form is glucose plus oxygen. These are the major part required. This whole is called the process of photosynthesis and the reaction, how it is carried out. Now, what are the requirements of the photosynthesis. First is chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Green color pigment. As we saw, all the leaves are green in color due to the presence of green color pigment in them. That green color pigment is called chlorophyll. Now, what is chlorophyll? A green color pigment inside special structure called chloroplast inside the cytoplasm of the cell that help in the process of photosynthesis, and these are also called the food factories. Chlorophylls are also called the food factories, and they give green color to the leaves and help in the process of photosynthesis. Now here one term is there, explore more. The leaves other than green colors, and sometimes we see red algae, brown algae, purple algae, they also have chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown or other pigment make the green color. Photosynthesis also takes place in them. Similarly, green patches of algae in ponds in damp areas also contain chlorophyll and synthesize foods. They are also come under the small group plants. Now, first requirement for photosynthesis is chlorophyll, that is essential and help in the process of photosynthesis. Now, after that, second requirement in the next week.